Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your cucumber seeds. So you can start your cucumbers off under cover from mid to late spring, but if you'd like to direct sow your cucumbers, then wait until after the risk of frost has passed in your area. So I'm going to sow my seeds into these small pots. So these are 9cm pots, and the reason I like to do it that way is because the cucumbers will grow quite fast once they germinate. So these pots will give them lots of space for the roots to grow. So I'm going to sow one seed per pot at around about 1cm deep, and just sow those seeds on their sides so that the water doesn't sit on the seed and collect, which can cause the seed to rot. Just gently backfill with the soil and then give those a little water. So you don't want your soil to be soaking wet, just nicely moist. Soaking wet soil could just cause the seed to rot. And then we're just going to pop our plant label in so we know what we sowed. So I'm going to place these in the greenhouse where they can germinate, and once they've germinated I will leave them in the pots for a little while so that they can grow on and develop a nice healthy root system. If you've sowed into modules or trays, then you want to transplant those into small pots like these once they've developed a set of true leaves. So you can plant your cucumbers into their final growing positions outside once the risk of frost has passed. You want to pick a nice sunny sheltered position and plant the plants around 60cm apart. So you can either allow your cucumbers to grow up supports or let them sprawl along the ground where they can help to keep the weeds down, which is always my preferred method. Do keep your cucumber plants well watered during the growing season. Just like your squash and courgettes, cucumbers are really thirsty plants, so they'll appreciate as much water as you can give them. And then you want to harvest your cucumbers regularly throughout the summer. It's best to pick them when they're nice and young. That's when you're going to get the best texture and flavour. And then keep picking those cucumbers throughout the season to encourage the plant to keep producing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.